A polynomial is called prime when it is not factorable in any way. For example, for the trinomial x squared plus 5x minus 2, well, we said if it is factorable, it will be in this form, right? So in the two blanks, we need two numbers they multiply to be -2 and add up to be +5. So let's try to factor out 2. 2, the only combination is 2 times 1, and there's no way we can add them up to be 5. Doesn't matter which one is positive or negative. So that means this trinomial is not factorable, or we can say it's prime. And another very common case for a prime polynomial is in the form of a squared plus b squared. If you see anything in that form, it is prime. For example, x squared plus y squared, it's prime. X squared plus 4, it's prime. Even it's x squared plus any positive number plus 1, this is prime. X squared plus 3, that's also prime. None of those are factorable.